Welcome to It's All About tutorial by Neneng. Let's practice solving algebra. Guidelines in solving algebra. 1. Replacing the variables by the given number value. Substitution. 2. Performing the indicated arithmetic, following the order of operations. PEMDAS rule. Let's practice. Problem is 4x plus 3, where x equals 4. Solution. 4x plus 3. Since x is equal to 4, we need to rewrite the number and put the value of x, 4 times 4 plus 3. Let's use PEMDAS rule. First let's multiply the 4 times 4 is equals to 16. Let's write 16 plus 3 and add it. So 19 is the final answer. Let's practice. Problem is 8x plus 7, where x equals 2. Solution. 8x plus 7. Since x is equal to 2, we need to rewrite the number and put the value of x, 8 times 2 plus 7. Let's use PEMDAS rule. First let's multiply the 8 times 2 is equals to 16. Let's write 16 plus 7 and add it. So 23 is the final answer. Thank you for watching. Please support our channel by like, follow and subscribe. It's All About tutorial by Neneng for more learnings.